Using Chase Bank without a card is a convenient option for managing your accounts and conducting transactions. To start, you need to have a Chase Bank account and be enrolled in Chase Online or the Chase mobile app. First, download and install the Chase mobile app on your smartphone if you haven't already. Once installed, open the app and log in to your account using your username and password. If you are a new user, you can enroll in Chase Online or the Chase mobile app by following the prompts to create a username and password. After logging in, you can view your account balances, transaction history, and statements. You can also use the app to pay bills, transfer funds between accounts, and deposit checks remotely. To deposit a check, simply select the deposit option. Take a picture of the front and back of the check, and enter the deposit amount. In addition to mobile banking, you can also use Chase Online to manage your accounts from your computer. Simply visit the Chase website, log into your account, and navigate to the various options to view your accounts, pay bills, and transfer funds. Another option for using Chase Bank without a card is to visit a Chase Bank ATM or branch. At an ATM, you can use your account number and PIN to withdraw cash, check your balances, and transfer funds. At a branch, you can speak with a banker to conduct transactions, such as depositing or withdrawing cash, and to get assistance with your accounts. To use Chase Bank without a card at a store or merchant, you can use Chase Pay, which allows you to make payments using your smartphone. Simply add your Chase credit or debit card to the Chase Pay app, and then use your phone to make payments at participating merchants. Best practices for using Chase Bank without a card include keeping your account information and login credentials secure, monitoring your accounts regularly for suspicious activity, and taking advantage of two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your accounts. In summary, using Chase Bank without a card is a convenient and secure way to manage your accounts and conduct transactions. By using the Chase mobile app, Chase Online, or visiting a Chase Bank ATM or branch, you can easily access your accounts and conduct a variety of transactions without needing your card.